Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 176. In conclusion, the lecturer said, when first I went to Portugal, I shared all the indignation of my countrymen at the easygoing habits of the people of the peninsula. But in the short space of time it took me to reach my hotel from the landing stage, I determined never to say another word against them on the matter, for the enervating heat took all the energy out of me. In the third place, the traveler learns at first hand the true character of the people among whom he finds himself, and the facts of life are impressed upon him in a way the pages of a book could never effect. In the next place, and in the last place, there are the physical benefits to be derived from walking. Too much food and too little exercise is the root of most of our bodily ills, and if we would indulge more freely in walking and think less of our ease and the trouble of walking, our lives would undoubtedly be free from many of the aches and pains of which we are now so ready to complain. Full stop.